Welcome to Yu-Gi Men's. Today we are going to be opening up some Legendary Duelist Season 1. We got this case supplied to us by our local card store, NCG, Northern Card Gaming. So, let's crack on then. I'll use the almighty pizza cutter. So we'll see if I can actually get into this bad boy with it.
Get out here, Rick.
Fucking cut. We've got a bit of a break, there we go. No, it's actually it's damaged the cardboard. Right, we're just gonna have to rip her open. Jesus. And we'll see it in its beautiful glory. Look at them bad boys there. Oh yes.
Yugi boy.
So we're doing a sort of a box battle. Myself and Daniel paid for half, so I'm going to open half, he's going to open half, and I'm going down the right because the dice told me to. So we'll set them in the camera there. And his ones will just get fucked around.
Ours looks so much better than the American ones. Like,
Yeah, our box is a bit more, what could you say? It's longer. It's a bit more presentable, I suppose.
Which is quite unusual, because American packaging is usually better than European packaging.
Yeah, it usually is, but their box is more wider and flatter, where ours is, as you can see it here, it is longer.
shows the boosters on the front.
Ooh. Right, so I will get stuck in now.
While we're getting stuck on, Craig, what are some of the chase cards that you want to pull in this set?
Well, the only thing I want to pull is the Pegasus character card and the after more of the secrets. I want the Millennium Eyes Restrict as well.
What about the Ultimate Red Eyes?
So the Ultra?
Ultra?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind a few coloured Ultra ones. So let's see, what is it going to be? Gearfried the Red Iron Knight. And what's our character card going to be? Oh, well, actually, he's quite hard to get. So I'll set the secrets here and the character card there. So we'll start with the first packet. Crystal Beast Emerald Tortoise. Crystal Abundance Ancient Gear Gadget. Crystal Tree Ancient Gear Wyvern. Oh, there's the Toon. Red Eyes Toon Dragon. Would have been nice to see it as a super instead of a common. Rare Value, Infernal Blast, Cyber Dark Claw, Black Illusion Ritual, Cyber Dark Edge, Thousand Eyes Restrict, that's a nice one.
Is it only the back?
Legendary Fisherman, oh, yeah, that's what
Where
I'm,
the Americans are in
the Americans ones are in the middle, aren't they? Yeah.
That must be the back.
Toon Mass Sorcerer, it must be that it is. I see something. Malefic Red Eyes, Rainbow Bridge, Citadel Whale, and Machina. Is that a new card or is this an old card?
Rise of the Duelists.
Oh, right.
It's a promo.
So I'll set my color cards like so.
Green, both green, yeah. I think they're both.
And let's get on to the other packet here now.
Don't like green on green. But
Sort of want, what is the Crystal Bond, isn't it? Yeah, I sort of want to put one of them. Crystal Beacon. Rainbow Path, Ancient Gear Reactor Dragon, Ancient Gear Golem, Rainbow Dark Dragon, Barrel Dragon, Corrosive Scales, Toon Ancient Gear Golem, Amazonas Onslaught, Rage of the Kerosene, Toon Alligator, Super. Oh yes, there we go.
Yes.
We've got the Red Eyes Black Dragon. See the text change now. It used to be B Dragon, but now it is Black Dragon.
What colour is the text? Is it the...
I think it's the purple text. It is purple. And the next one's purple as
Show
well.
it up to the camera a bit closer.
So we've got the, as you can see there, the Red Eyes Black Dragon, the Amazonas Call, and the Fury of the
Search is torrential tribute.
Search is Tranquil Tribute. That's correct. That's quite a good search. And I'm going to speed this up, and I'm just going to open all the packs just to get them out, along with the character cards. You get one per case.
So that Tantra Tribute Searcher get shown in, we can use in Layer of Darkness as well. Craig, you are littering like a madman.
chuck them on the floor, clean them up later, you know what I mean, sir?
I mean, no.
Yeah, yeah.
Seeing Truesdale.
Yeah, I'm looking for. I really want to open the Pegasus character card or the Zane card for the Cyber Dragons, but I'll leave these till last because these are what I'm more excited about, and then I'll just open these packs. Toon Cannon Soldier, these banned for value. Crystal Beast Emerald Tortoise.
Why is he banned?
Because he's an OTK machine. You can search him with
Toon Table
Toon Table
of Contents.
of Contents. So you-
It
6
does
copies,
exact
really, I
same
would say.
thing as ordinary Cannon Soldier does.
it does, yeah. Or do you need 2 more on the field? Yeah?
Cannon
No, you
Soldier,
don't.
Quillbolt Hedgehog, OG.
Toon Ancient Gear Golem. I'm enjoying the tunes here. I just wish they were foil. Ancient Gear Golem Ultimate. Red Eyes Insight. Pretty good card. Amazon's Princess. Malefic. Yeah, there's Malefics in this set as well. Amazon's own set. Toon Gemini Elf. Mango Ruran. Cyberdog Cannon. Toon Summon Skulls. Ah, another Citadel Whale. A Ultimate Crystal Magic. And Curse of Dragon. The Cursed Dragon. It's cursed
Well, that's the
and
new
it
one, isn't it?
also gives you a curse. You just don't draw it. Ever. You don't want to draw it anyway. Rainbow Reflection. Toon Dark Magician. Nice. Curse of Scale. Ancient Gear Woman. Toon Booster. Yeah, I'm a bit upset. I bet you your set will be absolutely busted. Rainbow Dark Dragon. Oh, I'm happy about the red eyes. I just want to pull my Pegasus, sir. I want my Pegasus. I need it.
Promo packs first then?
I'm going to open them last to keep the excitement going, sir.
You're gonna get someone terrible.
Toon Mass Sorcerer.
Migos
Black
Zeros.
Dragon
Migos
check.
Zeros.
Oh yes, we have the Red Eyes Fleur Metal Dragon with the purple text to match the
Oh,
purple
that's
text.
lovely. Purple text.
And we have the Toon Mortal Purple. And we have our... What's that search again?
Torrential Tribute.
Torrential Tribute searcher. Here we go.
You put all the red eyes cards.
We've got 4 packs left, so we've got high hopes we'll pull something sexy, I hope. We've got Crystal Abundance, Gear Golem, Ancient Gear Catapult, Toon Cyber Dragon. I was sort of hoping that come this set, Toon Cyber Dragon would have finally got its hollow reprint, but fortunately not. It's common. Crystal Beast, Rainbow God, blah, Toon, Relinquish Summoner. Oh, Black Metal Dragon. It's quite good in Link Dragon, I suppose.
Also quite good for red eyes.
Toon and Skull, yeah, Red Eyes as well. We have Amazon's Baby Tagger with purple text, which is quite nice. And
You're getting all the purple text.
we have the Rainbow Overdragon, which is pretty nice. And we've got the Cursed Dragon.
It's
cursed.
You're cursed, sorry. Yeah.
Cursed my pools. We have Crystal Beast, Emerald Tortoise, Red Eyes Toon Dragon, Parasite Paranoid, Cross Dimension. If we all remember that scene from the anime, the Cross Dimension Duel. Crystal Beast, cool. Oh, that's a pretty good common.
Red Eyes Egg.
Red Eyes, Blackstone of Legend, or the Blackstone of Legend.
That's a big.
Bridget, is that this? Oh no, it's not Fury. Alright, Toon Mermaid. Oh, there's the errated Red Eyes Darkness Dragon, and that's a once per turn, which was nice, so that we didn't have to get it banned in the TCG. We've got Desperado Barrel Dragon with purple text. Yeah,
Is that a new
Oh,
one?
is that the one that only flips 2 coins?
I believe so. Not don't know much about them. Another Rainbow Overdrive. Oh, and see Malefi Rabbit. See, Rabbit up for his favourite stump again, looking all around the forest at all the fluffy friends. Do you like exploring too? Good, let's go. And 5 more Malefi friends with Robbie.
I don't know, like I really
Nice card.
like the new thing in that. The new artwork.
The new artwork's nice, it just would have been nice as a foil.
New meta.
New meta. Malefi Turbo.
There's a full archetype in the next set. Like,
Rainbow Gravity
that's what
Dragon.
it is. It's a full archetype.
Dragon. Cyber Dragon. Toon Cannon Soldiers. One more and I can OTK people. Go right around. Yeah, the original Toon. Toon Summon Skull. I love the artwork of that. Meteor Black Dragon. Yeah. Ah, another Citadel Whale.
3 of them?
I think I've got almost have the play set of colours. Rainbow
Looks like someone's
Bridge
going to see work.
and Sea Torrential Tribute Searcher.
Last pack.
Last pack. Let's hope I can pull
Good for me.
something good here. Something interesting. Ancient Gear Hydra. I've just got a pile over here to the side, and they're just sneaking over here. Ancient Gear Gold. Oh, Red Ice Fusion. That's not a bad common. I guess it's the first one I've pulled. Good whenever we finally get Dragoon or Red Eyes.
Aye, but you're gonna want the super instead.
What are we gonna? Errata Boy, Crystal Bond. Is that the one? Oh!
What's a red ice darkness?
See
dragon?
Crystal Bond. See Heavy Metal Raiders, green, and another one of this. So now we'll look at the character cards. I'm really hoping to pull a Pegasus here. What do we have? I'll look at the secret first. We'll flip it round for the big reveal here. Bang! Cocoon of Ultra Evolution. I think that's a short printed one. Bandit Keith.
Oh, that's pretty cool though.
For all them machines I pulled, I suppose I may as well pull Bandit Keith. Let's see what we're gonna flip around here. Bang! Oh yes! Millennium Eyes Restrict. What I wanted to pull. Is there gonna be Pegasus behind here? Oh no. Dr. Crowley. Last one to get Pegasus.
Zane Truesdale.
Oh, Saints Truesdale as well.
Cyber Dragon.
Secret we have is Bang. Red Eyes Fang Joy. Not bad, I don't mind having a wee Joy. So I'm going to pass it over to my good friend Daniel here, and he's going to open. I'm going to take my cards off me because he
Really
steals them.
thought that the original red ice darkness dragon was made a common like. Remember we tried to peg one of these for me to buy?
Here we go, lads.
Yeah.
Hopefully I open better. I'll open Z Pegasus.
You better open Pegasus.
You can't
But,
have been better than red eyes like.
If you have got through this far, please like,
Ultra? You opened the
subscribe, and comment what you want to pull from this set, because we want to know what everyone is looking forward to in this set. I will open up all these as throw them on the floor. We'll just clean that up after, but no, I wouldn't mind a red eyes black dragon for whenever Dragoons comes out. I want
The
a nice.
floor's not lava, the floor is the bin.
That's a good TV show on Netflix.
It is actually. There you go.
I don't think what else I want to open. I think it's just red eyes. I want to open a good old Zane Truesdale character card and a Pegasus so I can take it off Craig. And I make it Tsunami.
No, I want you to open the Pegasus card and I will trade you.
He's not getting it.
Oh, Scarlet.
What are you going to trade it, Joey Wheeler?
Z Joey.
Sacramento?
Right, here we go, sirs. I'll leave the promo packs to last then. See, promo packs to last. Since. How many is that? 4? Oh yeah, it is only 4, isn't it? Can't count. Sorry. Right, here we go, sirs. We've got the Crystal Beast Tiger. We've got Amethyst Cat, Gear Frame, Crystal Blessing, Counter Gem, Barrel Dragon, Crystal Conclave, Sapphire Pegasus. Nice reprints for them Crystal Beast players. Black Dragon's Chick, Cyberdark Dragon, Toon Alligator, Cards of the Red Stone, Black Metal Dragon, Megaroid City. We have Amazoness Call as our first and Ultimate Crystal Magic, so that's not a very good booster, but you have to pull terrible if you want good. I don't think people care about the Barrel Dragon, Conclave, another Sapphire Pegasus, building my Crystal Beast deck. Gotta love Crystal Beast back in the day. Megaroid City, Sea Stealth, Blue Eyes Toon Dragon, Red Eyes Fusion's a nice common, Heavy Metal Raiders, and Rainbow Bridge, and Malefi Rabbit.
Is that the new one, Melissa Robin?
So we've got a nice Red Eyes Fusion, yeah, from the new set.
Can we ask why there is a vanilla in here? That's a super ultra.
Ultra, yeah. Just from the new set, so. Ruby, Proton.
Daniel, you're not going to pull as good as me. Just give up.
What did you pull up was good? Crystal Bonds?
Crystal Bond.
There's another Red Eyes Fusion. How many Red Eyes Fusions did you get, sir?
One.
Did you get one? I've already beat you,
Many
sir.
red eyes did you get?
Nothing yet, sir.
I don't
Toon
see
Dark
any
Magician
red
Girl.
eyes, sir.
There's Amazoness Call and Millennium Eyes Illusionist.
He's going to pull better.
Oh, do you want that, sir? Do you?
Want that?
Do you want that, sir?
You didn't take out the Red Ice Darkness Dragon?
No, no, no. He's terrible.
It's good.
He doesn't see players. Is he Toon Dark Magician? Ancient Gear, Rainbow Ruins. There's the OG Rainbow Dragon. Used to be a secret, but how times have gone. This is Thousand Eyes Restrict.
Wavering Eyes, was that? Wavering?
No.
Red Eyes Waving?
Yeah. There's Rainbow Over Dragon and Crystal Bombs as well. So I think I'm already on the draw with you, Craig, sir.
I opened 2 Rainbow Dragons, sir.
Yeah, but Rainbow Dragon isn't the good one.
No, you aren't. You haven't opened the Red Eyes.
But Red Eyes isn't worth anything. It's alright. It's only a £3 Ultra.
Red Eyes is automatic win.
It's £3 Ultra.
Win condition.
I can go buy one for £3, sir.
Well, you may hope it arrives by the end of this video then.
Prince Legendary Ocean. There is the Red Eyes Darkness. The nice. Return of Red Eyes. Sea Stealth Attack. We've got Relinquish Fusion and Rainbow Bridge. And the Torrential Tribute Searcher. Sorry, am I putting all the cards you want, sir?
You're put you are putting the cards I want.
All the
yeah.
Pegasus cards?
So you're saying the dice you rolled left.
So what you're saying is you're technically saying that I have the best.
You picked all the cards that I would have wanted.
There's Red Eyes Insight. Nice £1, £2. There's 3 Red Eyes Fusion, sir. I think, yeah. We've got a Tin Toon Table of Contents and a Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon. I think I have one, sir.
Don't know, that's about it.
It's a green Rare Metal Dragon, but you can see the text on that one, unlike yours.
Blue.
You can't see it.
Yeah, but blue's better than green.
I've got the secret version of this.
Be sure to comment who actually won at the end of this. down
Barrel
below,
Dragon.
please.
Toon Ancient, Barrel Dragon, Cobalt Eagle, Toon Gemini Elf, Emergency Rogue Quaid, another Red Eyes Insight, Megaroid City, Blue Eyes Toon Dragon, Mixroid. We've got Toon World and Toon Table of Contents. So we're going for the. Hang on. So we've got purple and we've got green. So all we need is blue. Toon Table of Contents.
You didn't really. What was your color priority?
Toon Cyber Dragon, Crystal Blessing, Rainbow Gravity, Refraction, Barrel Dragon, Scales, Wyvern, Darkness Dragon, Blackstone Legend, Rage of Kaishan, Toon Mermaid, Emergency Royal Coid, Darkness Metal, Mobile Base, Toon Gemini. We've got another Millennium Eyes and another Toon World. So that is the colour for Ultras. So let's see the promo packs. So if I pull an Ancient Gear Fusion, I win. There's the Millennium Eyes. What is the character card? It is Mr. Weevil. Mr. Weevil.
What was he
So,
gonna rip
huh!
off?
Oh, Red Eyes Baby Dragon. That's better than yours, sir.
That's a good one.
Oh,
That's a good one, to be fair.
And then we've got Pegasus.
Oh,
Character cards. I think we have won this.
Please tell me.
Is there an Ancient Gear Fusion, but sir?
Come on.
No, I want.
Gotta be
Ian.
Diego.
I'll have to be Zane, like.
Diego.
No, my
That's
My-
friggin'
Red Eyes with
Can you
Chain.
get Kai?
Is
can you
it
get Yu-Gi-Oh?
But no, it's not. No Ancient Gear Fusion. So sad.
Yeah.
But sir, I have Pegasus. Do you? This is gonna be Zane Truesdale. Did you know this? No, it's Joey Wheeler.
See, I want the Jodie Wheeler.
So, personally, I think I won this, but sure. Comment below who you think won,
no.
Daniel or Craig.
I am voting
I
for
didn't,
So we
see
will
any,
see.
I didn't see any red eyes pulled, so.
No Red Eyes, but my ultras were better. my ultras were better with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Let's have a look at your baby dragon there.
See Baby Dragon. See nice secret one.
Jeez, that's absolutely brilliant. Look.
So
That is, sorry.
please comment below what you want to pull from this
That's a very lovely scene.
and tell us who won. And please subscribe and like this video. And thank you for joining Yu-Gi-Men's.